Holy shit.
Holy! I don't know if you can see this on camera.
What's that right there?
But the clouds are coming towards the building in a downward motion. This is epic. Doesn't happen in Pennsylvania. Might be a tornado, for real this time.
No, I'm being serious though. Look at this. I've never seen clouds.
What?
These clouds.
It's crazy.
These clouds. Go inside!
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
No!
This is the last time we're gonna see this woman.
Holy shit.
I don't think you can see it on camera. Like, you really can't get the effect of the clouds coming at you. Let's go chasing.
Out the back door. Out the back door. We gotta see this. Shit's getting real.
What? Oh my God! It's circling, dude! It's spiraling right here.
Shut up.
It's a funnel, right here. I just saw a funnel. I'm not even shitting you. It's gonna start right here.
Please start at the school.
Look at it form.
Shut up. Holy shit. No, but look over there. That's what a tornado looks like. Every time I've seen one, there's always been something like that in the future.
Like what though? It's a shit cloud. See it circling a little bit right there?
Holy shit. It is. Get your phones ready, because I'm taking a Facebook picture with it.
It's a good way to go out though.
Yeah, but seriously, look at this though.
That's what I'm saying. Even those, even it just looks like it's. Oh, look at right. See it? Right there.
It is. Hey, are you looking at this? Tornado, right there, dude.
Right there, funnel, right there.
No, I'm being serious.
Lee hit me with his meteorological boner before.
He did. He hit everybody in this
out the
room.
window.
I think our gang's gonna focus on it.
No, it is. But look at those clouds though. Look at those.
The clouds are
They're
moving
getting-
so fucking weird, dude.
They're faster over
Look
here.
yeah, look right above you.
Dude, maybe we should be chasing this. Do you think we should?
There's nothing to chase though. There's no
But
touchdown.
I mean, this is gonna be forming though.
Look how much is moving right there.
Dude, I bet if we chase this to the south of town a little bit, it's gonna be big.
Dude, there's not gonna be a big twister in a fucking area like this, okay?
We know. We know there's a fucking tornado.
Hold on, putting on the police scanner.
You jumping through?
Yeah.
He's so excited right now.
We'll put her on the scanner here. Don't worry, Lee.
Hey, watch that stuff up there.
We are. I've been taping it for the last 3 minutes.
That's where it is. Anywhere, that's where it will be.
How do you know that's north?
You know how I know that? This is all northbound, that's southbound. When those two are together like that.
Where are we? Oh, we're right here. We're in the purple. What does purple mean? Sleep?
It's just it's nothing.
I got the police scanner on right now, Lee. Don't worry. Don't worry. Stop freaking out.
I don't
scanner
freak
will tell us
out.
everything.
They probably don't say anything. To be honest with you.
Touchdown, south side, Van Wert County.
Really?
We have touchdown about 40 minutes away.
Yeah. There's no way.
Hey, touchdown in Van
He
Wert.
said it's no. Lee says it's impossible. Lee says it's impossible.
So they just said touchdown in Van Wert County. Hold on, here it is.
What is that?
Good morning. Are you freaking out? You son, you're freaking out. Here it is. Medevac.
They're sending in the Coast Guard.
Calling in the ambulances.
Where are you going? Are you going to the? Never mind. Go get me an iced tea. I'm thirsty.
Oh, that was very fun.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Lima County. You are advised to proceed immediately to your designated tornado shelter.
Hey.
It's in a twisting motion.
Clear has been announced.
Form, you son of a bitch.
Hey, Chris, are you looking at that one right there?
I got it.
You got it?
That's not bad.
Service has issued a tornado warning.
Where's Bill Paxton and Dorothy? We have to get Dorothy in the cyclone.
That's not bad.
Where's this supposed to be hitting at?
It's basically.
Oh
online.
shit! Look at the updraft. I just made up a word. I made
No,
up a
that's
term.
a real. They're downdraft,
Are you
updraft.
ready? What the fuck?
It's definitely not there anymore.
No, but seriously.
You are advised to proceed immediately to your designated tornado shelter.
Why do you stop trying? Just stop. What's with the mustache, by the way? You look like an idiot. Oh! I'm recording this in high definition.
Seriously, come on.
It's only water.